Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your address on a driver's license online in California. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up a web browser and in Google type in driver's license or ID card update California, then hit enter. Then from here, click on the second option where it says update information on your driver's license or ID card from dmv.ca.gov. Now from here, scroll down and it will say driver's license or ID card update. So change is inevitable, we know, which is why we're committed to make it easy for you to ensure your driver license or identification card accurate reflects who and where you are. So from here, it will say how to change your information. So if you're changing your address, click on the little plus icon. And then there's a few different ways how to do this. So we can notify DMV of an address change is easy and free. So just submit a change of address from using the option below that is most convenient for you. So there's three different ways. So we can do it online, request a change of address in your DMV account. So if we go ahead and open this up, simply log into your account and then click on start address change. Now we can also do this by old school mail. So we can download the DMV 14 PDF and then fill this out. There's a lot of things to fill out in here. And then once you've filled out this form, print it off. And then from here, call DMV at this number to request to have the form mailed to you if you can't print it off. This may take 5 days to receive. And then mail the completed form to the address listed on the form. And now that address is, if I come back to here. So here is the mailing address here. So DMV change of address is right there. Now the third way is in person, which is probably going to be the second quickest way if you don't want to do it online. So visit any DMV office and also complete a DMV 14. So if you can get that beforehand, fill it out and then go to your DMV and then give it to a representative. The representative will submit the form to DMV headquarters for you.